Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we draw and color Christmas trees and we are going to decorate with glitter pom-poms and much more. Let's start drawing. Now let's draw a Christmas tree. We decorate with ribbons and some bulb ornaments. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I used dark green for the Christmas tree. I colored the ribbons red. Purple. Light blue. Green. Blue. Yellow. Red. Pink. Green. Light blue. It's glitter time! Green glitter. Now let's blow! Let's add some pom-poms. Orange. Blue. Red. Purple. Yellow. Pink. Green. Light blue. Green. Looks fantastic! Let's draw another shape of the Christmas tree. Then I draw the trunk. Let's decorate it. A star on the top. Perfect! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the tree with this dark green marker. Brown for the trunk. It's glitter time! Silver glitter! Now let's blow! Purple. Perfect! Now let's draw a Christmas tree in an easy way. Now I'm going to draw another Christmas tree. A star on top. Let's add some ribbons. Perfect! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Now I'm going to color here with red. Brown. I colored the star with this yellow marker. It's time to shine! Gold glitter! Perfect! Red glitter! Now let's blow! Wow, it looks super shiny! Very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.